just entered my childhood home, my parents' house, and it feels so big. Like compared to coming from London, this feels absolutely huge. Oh my god, I feel like crying. Everything was locked, like cold right now. Oh, just how they used to be when Alian was away. Mom and Dad didn't remove them because they're like, they remind us of Alian. It's so sad that they're not here. They're outside of the country at the moment, but hopefully they'll be back soon, inshallah. Oh, look at my spot. What is this charging? Every single room that I go to feels so big. It did not feel this big when we were living here. Just look how massive this looks. ये सारा वो है, like आपकी perception change हो जाती है because we're so used to now like small cramped places. Like even my in-laws' house was feeling so huge. Like हमारा कमरा, I was like, oh my god, we can fit like hathis in here. But oh, I think I'm crying every time I open a room and I'm like, oh, memories.
मेहनत करो लेकिन रोल पकौड़ा की बात ये होती है तब कुछ है।
Guys, the nails are done and they look so cute, so springy. I love them. ये वाला है ये. Guys, flash on करके you can see this is the cat eye nail because it's like all shimmery, shiny, and then we did like nail art and then a little bit of chrome, and then उसके ऊपर we put like these flowers and diamantes. I love it. It's perfect. It's gonna go with all my Eid outfits. Guys, I came for my nails at Mariam's salon, जो मैंने आपको दिखाया, and I have an iftari to go to, और आज एक और iftari, दो iftari हैं, और एक मेरी cousin के घर पे एक और. But I don't think I'll be able to go anywhere because I just got to know that Alian's not feeling well. I told you guys that he threw up, and आज उनको बुखार भी हो गया है. He's not feeling well, so I just can't wait to get home and like sort of see what's wrong with him. I feel so अजीब सा. I hate it when he gets sick, and when we're traveling, like इतना करीब दूर से, I just can't. So yeah, when I get home, I'm probably gonna see what his situation is, and maybe if we can see a doctor. Going for an iftar at my cousin's. I think we're not gonna do the Arisha and Aslan wali iftar party because we won't have time. And Mr. Ali is also coming with me. You ready? Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Yep. Let's go. Yep. एक जो चीज़ मैं कराची में की मिस करती थी ना वो थी ईद बाज़ार. एंड दिस ईयर देयर सो मैनी हैपनिंग कि मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि हम कहाँ जाएं. देयर इज़ वन एट क्रीक क्लब, दैन देयर इज़ लोकेटेड एंडल्यूजन बैंक्वेट्स पे. कॉमन में जो हमेशा होता है वो आई थिंक मोइन खान अकेडमी में हो रहा है. तो 3 लगे हुए हैं विद इन लाइक द सेम फेज़ 8 वाली विसिनिटी. एंड आई एम नॉट श्योर वेयर आई एम गोना गो. ये लोकेट ने मुझे अपना वो भेजा था इनवाइट, एंड इट्स सच अ कूल बॉक्स. गाइस, आई विश आई कुड टेक दिस अलोंग विद मी टू द यूके. इसमें लाइक लेजिट आप चीज़ें लटका सकते हैं. एंड आई डोंट नो मैं क्या लटकाती, बट आई प्रॉब्ली वुड केप माय स्किन केयर और समथिंग इनसाइड. लाइक दैट इज़ कूल. बट देव सेंट लाइक चूड़ियाँ एंड दिस ट्रे. आई एम डेफिनेटली टेकिंग दिस ट्रे अलोंग. दिस इज़ सच अ नाइस ट्रे. और कुछ ज्वेलरी पीसेस हैं, एक नाइट सूट है, वी हैव सम स्किन केयर and some sauce. So yeah, definitely just gonna ये I think हो रहा है 29th and 30th of March को, and this is happening in phase 8. So I'm not sure when I'm posting this vlog, maybe after or during Eid, तो ये शायद हो चुका होगा. But I'm not sure where I'm gonna go. We'll see in this vlog कि मैं कहाँ जाती हूँ.
तो सेलिब्रिटी आ गया लग रहा है सब कैमरे.
Yummy.
Oh sorry.
Oh ये भी आ गया. Oh my goodness.
दोनों लड़के
वो तो ऊपर ही होगी. अच्छा सॉरी. हाँ, arrivals. We have arrived at Jinnah Airport. With my mom and dad. My mother-in-law made them kadhai सुबह, which is lovely. But वो लोग land हो गए हैं. We're just gonna get out of the car and meet them. Abhi I don't know if bahar aaye ya nahi aaye, probably not. Let's go see. We're gonna go, guys. Abhi ye sochti कि before we know it we're gonna be going back soon. I think 2 हफ्ते रह गए हमारे वापस जाने में. We're gonna be back at the airport very soon. I'm not looking forward to the flight. I hate long flights, especially with a baby. I mean, last flight was so तंग नहीं किया था, but I just feel like they're not the same. But yeah, hopefully the flight is easy this time. Ah, the lights are on. Aliko, oh, what is that? No, that's not a frog. We saw some froggies. Guys, we're here at Mama's. और हम frogs ढूंढ रहे हैं. Can you hear them? I can hear them. Alian has not been well. उसको बुखार चढ़ गया था फिर से. And क्या कहते हैं? Yeah, so he got sick, and then we've just noticed some like dane on his hands, so which is a little alarming. I just hope we kuch na ho bhai. I don't want him to get sick. I really don't want him to get sick. Guys, I'm finally in my room. Oh my god, the memories, the vlogs. My YouTube channel started here in this room. Dressing table puri khali hai because my parents have kept away all the stuff. Don't pull my shirt. But look, my pillows and my bed. And wait, I need to show you guys my outfit. We need to do an outfit check in the OG mirror. This is my Zara Shah Jahan 3-piece outfit. Showing them my outfit. So lovely. I love it. And oh, look, nails in this lighting. They hit different here. Oh my god. I feel like I'm gonna cry. Hello, room. Bye-bye, room. I miss you. I miss you so much. Who is it? Who is it, Ali? Who's at the door? Oh, Charlie, let's go see. Come. Who is it? Ali, who is it? Hello! Assalamu alaikum. Assalamualaikum. 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 कैसे? Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Here at the Commons, और हम लोग का प्लान था कि प्रॉपर हम लोग चांद रात वाइब्स लेंगे सब साथ में, बट आलियान की आपको पता तबीयत ख़राब हो गई है. So I'm just here. And this is actually a new place. They're having it at Moin Khan Academy. Usually I'm using Bangalore hota hai, but it's different. I'm actually working एक stall पे, so I'm gonna do that. Like उससे फारिग होके I wanna like maybe explore. I'm not sure. Depends कि आलियान कैसा feel कर रहा है, and you know क्या सीन है उसका घर पे. So yeah, but I remember हमारी company when I used to work here, they had so many events in this area. So this is bringing back like a lot of memories. Like I remember I have a picture here with my friends. How cool is that? Guys, I'm just following Ramsha, who's taking me to where I have to work. I'm working at the bank Al Habib. Basically, we're doing like this collaboration video with Rubab and Khatija. So that's gonna be fun. So we're going there. We're gonna start our segments, and then let's see if I can roam around. I'm not like massively in the mood because Alian ki tabiyat kharab and I'm missing him. So we'll see. Guys, I got momos because I was hungry, and they're so yummy. I can't find it anywhere. Guys, this time they definitely had more vendors, but I honestly worked the entire time. I didn't have any time to sort of go see the stalls, but that's okay. 12 super over here, so I just want to get out now. I'm sure it must be lovely, but it's like an Instagram bazaar, so the vibes are good though. Hello everyone, it is Chand Raat, and our Chand Raat is quite dull because obviously Alian is sick. He has developed the hand, foot, mouth disease, which I did not know existed. till he got it. So what exactly happens in this disease is that it's a viral infection और उसमें ना बच्चों के मुंह के अंदर, so this disease usually happens 5 years in कम के बच्चों में, like most cases जो उसके होते हैं, and it is a viral infection जिसमें बच्चों के मुंह के अंदर दाने निकल आते हैं, like ulcers, छाले, and because of that they can't eat. And so Alian has been not eating since he came here. पैसे बहुत कम खा रहा था, but for the past week he's literally had nothing. तो मेरा बच्चा बेचारा इतना पतला हो चुका है, I feel so bad for him. And fever होता है और हाथ पे और पाँव पे, like mouth, hands and feet पे दाने निकल आते हैं. And this is not like chicken pox, because chicken pox is a little different. We went to a doctor and he confirmed. Chicken pox में like पूरी body पे दाने निकलते हैं और it's is a bit more like harsher. चिकन पॉक्स जो है ये थोड़ा माइल्डर फॉर्म होता है, बट ऑब्वियसली बच्चों के लिए तो ये भी हार्श ही होता है बिकॉज आई नॉट ईटिंग एनीथिंग. तो वी आर नॉट रियली डूइंग मच. चांद रात वी जस्ट बिन होम. वी डोंट वांट टू लाइक टेक हिम जहाँ पे और बच्चे हैं और उनको दाना खासा लग जाए. सो वी लाइक सॉर्ट ऑफ क्वारंटीनिंग विद हिम. लॉल, मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं कोविड के बाद भी क्वारंटीन कर रही हूँ, बट इट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़. दिस इज़ लाइफ विद किड्स. Yeah? Look at you. आज he's like a little bit himself, alhamdulillah, but he's not talking because उसको obviously मुंह में दर्द होता है, so he's not really speaking much. तो कल हमें एक ईद की दावत पे जाना है, but I'm not sure if we're gonna take him or if we're gonna go at all. Like maybe he stays at home with my in-laws, and then when we come back, they go to wherever they're going. Maybe like we can do that, ताकि he stays at home because obviously we don't want to take him anywhere where there are kids. खैर, मैंने सोचा है कि मैं अपने बाल वॉश कर लूँ क्योंकि चांद रात रिचुअल, you know, and I am gonna do the weekend routine. This is from Soul Care. As you guys know, my newly launched packaging is here. This is a new variant, by the way, and I love it. Look at the packaging, it's so nice. मैं सोचा है कि मैं अपने बालों में ही लगा लूँ, and then we're gonna wash them, clean the room a little bit in the background, कपड़े अपने इस्त्री करके रख दें. You know, just practicing. I'm going to use my weekend routine Soul Care scalp treatment with the new packaging, and I love it. We did get a lot of your orders, and we're going to ship all of them out after Eid because we were just waiting for one thing to arrive, basically a cap which holds the bottle like in place in the box. अभी थोड़ी सी हिल रही है, तो हमने एक इंसर्ट और किए थे जो कि उसको पकड़ के बिल्कुल एक जगह खड़ा कर देगी और वो हिले ना इतना. सो वी वर जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर दैट. देव अराइव्ड एंड वी आर गोना स्टार्ट शिपिंग देम आउट एज सून एज डिलीवरी स्टार्ट ईद के बाद. तो दैट्स व्हाट वी आर गोना डू. बट इन द मीन टाइम आई एम गोना अप्लाई दिस इन माई हेयर एंड आई एम गोना क्लीन द रूम. हु रिमेंबर्स मी क्लीनिंग दिस रूम? लेट्स डू दैट. Guys, try to excuse the noise in the background, but look at this beautiful outfit. This is from Saima Nail Books, nearly got it. And this is a beautiful two-piece. Look, and this is the dupatta. I love the color is just so nice. Everyone who कहती है we have so many Eid outfits and we don't have enough dawats. So we're gonna do something about that. Because Alian's nap time is gonna start and we have to give him dudu Oh my god, पहले जब आर्यन बीमार होता था ना, he would always have milk, मगर इस टाइम पे he's not having milk at all. So basically कुछ भी नहीं खा रहा बच्चा. So like we have to like forcefully give him milk, like उसका मुंह पकड़ के, and it's a process. So I'm gonna go do that. Wish me luck. This looks really yummy. I'm gonna try it. It's a video. As I didn't have a chance to properly show you my outfit, but look, अब तो थोड़ा सा खराब हो गया है because Allianz slept on me, but I loved it. Nomi, what did you think of my outfit?
I'm counting my eating.
But how did you think of my outfit? What did you think of my outfit?
It's nice.
How much would you rate it out of
Out of what?
10?
I'd give it an 8. 0.5.
And how did I look if you were to rate it out of 10?
I'd say 22.
22 out of?
10.
Aww. Thank you.
What about me?
50.
Plus.
Bus. Out of 10. Ali, do I look nice? Oh, John. Aryan hasn't had anything to eat, तब हम उनको कुछ खिलाने की कोशिश करेंगे. This is our life. Guys, ईदी काउंट हो रही है आलियान की. कितनी है?
पूरी काउंट करके बताओ.
हाँ.
I think 5,000.
5,500. और आपने अपनी मिलाई जो समर खाला ने आपको दी थी?
नहीं.
मिला लो वो भी.
तो वो 1,000 हम दोनों के और कर ले.
क्योंकि मैंने अपने दे देना आपको 500. गाइस, जितना मुझे लग रहा था कि हमें सीट पे क्वारंटाइन करेंगे, हम अकेले जा रहे हैं. हाँ, उतना ही हम बाहर निकल रहे हैं. सुबह के वक्त हम लंच पे गए मेरे पप्पा के घर, फिर हम गए नुमान की खाला के घर, और हम जा रहे हैं नुमान की चाची के घर.
बात सुन लो.
अच्छा.
ये लगा. ये 10,000 होगा.
वो भाई. You doing? Are you listening? Boom, boom, boom. Can you hear it? Are you sure that's the right place for it, baby?
Are you Google?
Yeah, but do you think that's the right place for it, Mary Jan? Okay. Hello everyone. It is Eid day 2 और आज के मैंने कपड़े इस्त्री किए हैं. We have this beautiful white outfit which is going to look so good on. Is from Generation. ये मैंने recently देखा था and I saw it and I bought it. It's an X size 8 and इसके साथ मैंने ये pants match की हैं. These are pants I already had from another outfit. And then I found this dupatta in my closet. Like Shop My Closet series is going strong. And I was like, this is perfect. It's gonna go really well. And I can pair it with like some nice jewelry. और कुछ और चीज़ें मैंने निकाली अपनी क्लोजेट में से. इस these outfitters की pants. Like I know कि ये मुझे पहले fit नहीं आती थी. These are a size small. Maybe I got them when I was pregnant. But I feel like they're gonna fit me again. Or maybe I can get them like tailored. I think शायद waist आ जाए because Outfitters की size small is a 26 waist and before pregnancy I was a size 25 so they were slightly small but now that I'm a 26 waist I think I can fit these so we're gonna try those और साथ ही I have these really nice jeans जो कि मैं वहाँ पे literally सोचती थी कि मेरी ये jeans कहाँ हैं. These are perfect. They're waist 26 leg 30. I used to wear these right after my pregnancy so they're definitely gonna fit me because I'm the same size. So really happy that I found these. But meanwhile हमारे बच्चे जी ने बहुत कमरा फैला दिया है तो अब थोड़ा सा समेटा समाटी करेंगे और ready होंगे. Oh by the way I'm wearing my cousin's brand Hans. It's a farshi shalwar with this really soft like perfect fabric for the summertime. The level has definitely increased. So आज खैर मम्मा के घर जा रहे हैं so we're not gonna do anything too fancy just something like a little bit. So let's see what we do. We have a number of options. We have this beautiful dupatta Farah Talib Aziz wala ek hamare paas ye hai. This is kalamkar. This is also beautiful. Then we have an other option which is this maroon one और एक जो मैंने previously निकाला था but I'm not feeling it that much. I think I'm gonna go with the pink one because I have jewelry that can match really well with this. But let's see once we're fully ready. Guys, we are at my mama's place for Eid और आलियान को देखने हैं frogs तो हम आए हैं garden में. Last time we saw frogs and आलियान उसके बाद से has been all about the frogs. So yeah, can you see any? कहाँ है? Can you hear that, Ali? What's that noise? It's an ant. I think it's called a jhinger. Can't see any frogs. I think आलियान जब आए थे उन्होंने इतने सारे frogs chase किए कि सारे चले गए. There are no more frogs in here, Ali. They're all gone. They're all gone. Oh, look, come. Look, there's one. Look, Hora. There he is. Guys, we see a frog. We see it, Ali. Do you see it? We have kofte. We have white chicken salad. Ooh, ये क्या है? भुजिया.
ये है हाँ आलू पालक. Yummy, I'm hungry.
इस ईद को ना हमने कोई तस्वीर देखी ना कोई कुछ भी किया दिल ही नहीं था किसी भी चीज़ में
कल एग्जैक्टली आके मतलब मैं उसको वीडियोस दिखा रही थी कि थोड़ा काम डाउन हो तो मैं इसको थोड़ा दूध पिलाऊंगी और वीडियोस देखते देखते टांग यूं रब कर रहा है जोर से.
जी मैं
Guys, eat the dawat with some food. Johnny, you can't sit on top of me. I'm eating. जाओ मम्मा के पास. नाना के पास चले
ले लियो.
नाना के पास चले जाओ. कहाँ से आई?
डेली वाला.
Guys, डेली वाला से हमने मंगवाई हैं काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें. We have कोला कबाब, basically all barbecue stuff before we leave for London. सारा पाकिस्तानी खाना हम खा लें और इसका टेस्ट जो है वो डिवावर कर लें. मैंने हॉट पॉट भी मंगवाया अपने लिए. आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड दो हॉट पॉट बट इट्स नॉट हेयर तो थोड़ा सा हम यहाँ चखेंगे एंड देन वी विल ट्राई द हॉट पॉट. आर यू एक्साइटेड फॉर द हॉट पॉट? इट्स वेरी गुड. सेव सम स्पेस फॉर द हॉट पॉट. I ordered Zoe's hot pot. I thought a whole hot pot's gonna come, but sadly pakaba aaya because apparently is area mein they don't do like a proper hot pot. They have like a cloud kitchen in Defense, तो वो फिर पकावा आता है. So that's what we have. I also got peanut sauce. ये मैंने खाया था अनम के घर पे, and peanut sauce was like legendary. So I'm excited for this. Guys, we are spending the night at mom and dad's. Yeah, I am in focus. And हमने हमारे लंदन वाले vlogs देखे when they came and visited us. Now we are gonna go to bed. हम लोग नीचे सो रहे हैं क्योंकि मेरे वाले कमरे का AC सही नहीं है. Because they have just returned home like a week ago. So obviously they don't have everything sorted out. But that's okay. I'm just gonna grab some clothes for myself from my old room. Like literally, I used to spend so much time in this room. और अब मेरा barely आना होता है. Like whenever I come here, oh no, this is locked. We need keys for this. Let's go find Dad and get keys for that. Today is Halwa Puri Day, Sunday, और गर्म हो रही हैं चीज़ें. खड़े कर दिए एग्जैक्टली. Guys, we're gonna go see the hall जिसमें हमारी शादी हुई थी. कुछ नहीं. I'm talking to the camera. Ali, do you wanna go see the hall where Dad and Daddy and I got married? Do you know what that is? Shadi. Do you know what that is? Guys, this is Sunset Boulevard ka Oasis Banquet. I think this is the hall where we got married, but now they've covered it, and it's quite nice. Matlab, first impressions very nice because they have like this really nice chandelier on top, which obviously makes it look nice. But it's really big. We're looking for something under 500, but iski setting open bhi kara sakte hain. But I like it. Guys, this is the stage. It's nice. It's really nice. And look, like I love the chandelier that they've put in. I think it looks gives a very grand appearance to the event venue. By the way, we're looking at this for my brother's reception. आपको याद होगा हम कनाडा गए थे शादी में, तो उसका एक event पाकिस्तान में हो रहा है in August. So that's why we're looking at it. But yeah, it's really lovely actually. काफ़ी अच्छा बना हुआ है अंदर से. Guys, we're now at Creek Club looking at the pearl marquee for the event. Let's see if we like it. There's no setup. Basically, you gotta do everything yourself through a caterer. They're just giving you an air-conditioned space. But yeah, I mean the place is nice. I know बहुत सारे लोगों की शादियाँ हुई है, and they had like an outdoor setup क्योंकि सर्दियों में हुई है. So I want to see what the indoor place looks like. Guys, this is Area 51. This is the stage. You know, the dance floor banana. We don't require a dance floor, but it's nice. I think it's quite pretty, the decoration and everything. अच्छा लग रहा है. Like, this is the entrance. Looks nice. Guys, this is where the food is. It's outside. Here we go. मतलब इतनी गर्मी होगी पता नहीं यार. August is a hot month, isn't it? That's the stage, yeah. Guys, not the most flattering angle, but this is an angle. आई फील लाइक मैं सारे एंगल्स ऐसे करती हूँ जिसमें मैं बहुत ही लाइक डबल चिन फैट लाइक आई फील लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु हैव मेट मी देयर लाइक you're so much skinnier in real life. So maybe it's the angles. It's just maybe I'm not holding the camera right. बोलते हैं ना, the camera puts like 10 pounds on you. So that's what's happening. I am going to Ramsha's Nand ki shaadi. Actually, I was supposed to go on Friday, but I couldn't. So we are going. I mean, by we, I mean me and Numan has some errands to run today because हम जा रहे हैं Thursday को वापस. So we don't have a lot of time, and there is lots to do. Like मिलना मिलाना लोगों से, you know how things are जब आप आते हैं. तो नुमान आज अपने रिश्तेदारों में हाज़िरी लगा रहे हैं और मैं जो हूँ वो रमशा की नंद की शादी में. लाइक मैं फिल्म कर लूँ वरना लोग बोलेंगे क्या मेकअप किया. Just gonna be cleaning it up. Don't worry. I usually don't buy into the overhyped makeup products, but this is worth the hype. This is the Rhode Pocket Blush, और ये मेरा जो shade है, it is Piggy, and this blush is amazing, like legit amazing. It's so easy to blend and it gives such a nice like dewy sheen. I love it. I am ready. बाल जो है वो सारे खुल चुके हैं because कराची में बाल नहीं रहते आपके. Who is that? That had to be my child. मेरी औलाद हो सकता था ये. But yeah, I am ready. I love my makeup. मैंने lipstick जो है ना, it's like a mix of 4 lipsticks, and I love the color. My goodness. But yeah, we're ready. Just gonna wear my shoes. If you remember, I wore this Tabish ki mehndi pe in Canada, and I love it. It's such a pretty outfit, and I've been dying to wear it again, and I finally got a chance. मैं necklace लाना भूल गई यहाँ पे, so we're gonna chill without one. We do have nice earrings. I'm gonna ask mom if she has a necklace. But चूड़ियाँ सब रखी, necklace भूल गई. I'm in Dolphin Mall. I thought I was going to leave Pakistan without coming here. This used to be my stomping ground. I'm going to go to Khadi. I want to check out some home stuff. Let's do it. Guys, now I am at Ethnic and I've picked out a couple of things which I'm going to try. They have such good things like all desi. And I'm just like, I can't wear that. I have picked out a really cute dress. I hope this fits. Thoda bada size hai, but we're going to try. Haan, le aaye drinks. Guys, look. We ordered some sushi. We're at Coco Chan. और हमने मंगवाई है Dynamite Maki and California rolls. And I'm so hungry. सुबह से नाश्ता भी नहीं किया. This is the first meal of the day. मुंह में पानी आ रहा है literally. Let's have some. Sushi definitely tastes different here.
I don't know how.
It was nice.
We did better.
Guys, we absolutely smashed that. मजा आया ना में? पेट भरा?
जब आपने ब्रेकफास्ट ना किया हो,
Yeah,
तो मुझे मिल जाए तो ऐसे.
that's true. Smashed that, literally. 5 minutes, all gone. Guys, I ordered pad thai noodles, which are here. And we've also ordered crispy beef. which looks yum. Guys, we're ending the night with iced lava at Cream Mellow. Oh, Ali bhi kuch leke aaya hai. Oh my goodness. Oh. Guys, we're here at Lucky One. And you know, when we're about to leave, ek chakkar Lucky One ka to lagta hai for Numan's shopping. And I think we've had a very successful shopping today. We've done everything from one store, which is Furor. Nomi, you're happy with everything you got? Yeah, you got some really nice things, let's say. And अब बस हम नुमान के लिए jeans ढूंढ रहे हैं. We can't find jeans anywhere. But my God, the whole mall has been taken over by Ethnic, Sapphire, J-Dot, and they have huge outlets. And Khadi. Let's not forget Khadi. But मैंने Lucky One इतना खाली कभी भी नहीं देखा. It's about to be 11, so I feel like that's why it's a little empty. But I like it. I like when Lucky One is empty. Guys, we are here at Charcoal today. Today is our second last day here. And look, Ali's coming. हम पहुंच गए हैं. We're trying to get a table. पूरा Charcoal नहीं हो चुका है, by the way. Ali, where are we? Where are we at? Come in. You wanna hold my hand? Gonna go upstairs. Oh, look, that's a nice view. Oh, there we go. Guys, they've completely renovated this.
Mama, look beautiful.
Yeah.
Water.
Water. Can you see the water?
Baby, where's Udi?
Sorry?
Where's Udi?
Yeah.
Baby, where's Udi?
Guys, Alian is roaming around with Nana. Guys, Roman chicken, Numan steak. Got some more chicken. Ali's gonna eat his fries. I hope he doesn't get sick. Let us begin. Guys, I can see some fish. Look. Look. Guys, the food was so good. And now I'm so full. अब हम जा रहे हैं वापस. But I think हमें वहाँ पिक्चर लेनी चाहिए. वो चारकोल जो लिखा हुआ है अच्छी आएगी. या फिर यहाँ पे व्यू पे अच्छा आ सकता है. Can you see the fish, Ali? The छोटी fish. ये देखें, ये जो ग्रे कलर की हैं. चलिए सबसे पहले ले लो उसी का. ले लो. Did we catch Data car?
डेटा कार को कैच कर ले. कर ले भाई, कैच कर ले.
This is the third time I'm filming this. Last wali record नहीं हुई. But if you've made it this far, thumbs up. You deserve it. This is probably the longest vlog I have filmed in a very long time. And if you liked it, great. Now I'm gonna see you in my next vlog.